In this video, we'll show you how you can easily reset your YouTube feed. So if you are not happy with the recommendation that you are seeing on the home tab, you can easily reset the feed and start over. So for this, first go to the U tab right here. Now tap the gear icon in the top right corner. Now here tap on this manage all history option. Now in this menu, you need to go to this controls tab right here. Now here tap on this manage YouTube history option. Now here you will need to select this delete option and then select delete all time. You can also select delete custom range if you only want to remove your last week's or last month's history from the YouTube app and then reset the feed accordingly. So I'll just select delete all time. So this will ask for this confirmation. Select delete to confirm and your YouTube feed will be reset in a few minutes. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Snitch.